There's a clip like this on all four corners. Make sure to completely remove this. You don't need it. The factory put a clip because they use robots to apply the glass. So make sure to remove this. So once you cut the old glass out, you want to place the new glass on the frame to test it, to make sure it fits.
Oh, we didn't touch that.
So the old glue has been trimmed to a thin layer all around. We're gonna place the new glass on the opening to make sure that it's a good fit before we apply new glue, because the customer is converting from a solid to a slider. So there can be like panels blocking the slider. So you want to test it to see if you need to trim the panel behind the seat. So this is a cool cap. It doesn't look like we need to make any adjustment. The old glue that you cut out, you can use a piece on the end and then put one on the other side as a stopper. When you apply the new glass, it can hold the glass in position. So we'll show you later. So once you put the glass on, you want to take this time to adjust it because the glue is still fresh. Adjust it to even out. As you can see, we put the old glue strip on the bottom to kind of hold the glass in position. The heat connector is just a plug-in.
Male for male. You're gonna hear the click.
Okay.
That's in.